Welcome to another chess puzzle. There's a lot of sacrifices in this game, and now you are white. What are you gonna play? We have to do a checkmate. This is an actual game, guys, from 1892. Let's go from scratch, right? So first, we have white plays a pawn to e4 as the opening, e5 from black. We have f4, d5. Okay, knight to f3, and then we have pawn takes on e4 from black, knight takes on e5. There we go. Now we have bishop to d6, d4 by white, supporting that knight. Okay, and then we have here by white impasse. We have impasse. I'm sure a lot of you know this move. And then we have white taking that pawn with a bishop. We have black pushing their knight to f6. We have castle by white on the king's side. Black does the same. White pushes its knight forward on c3. Then we have a bishop takes on e5. Pawn takes. Queen comes and gives a check to white's king. And white moves his king away to h1. Queen takes on e5. We have f4 by white, threatening black's queen. Black moves his queen to c5. We have bishop on a c7, and then bishop to g4 by black. Now we have queen to d2. After that threat from the bishop, from black bishop, right? Then we have black's queen going to c7, capturing that bishop. Now, so far you can see black is winning by 3 points actually, but let's see what happens, right? So we have white, rook to f6, queen, a5, rook to f4, bishop to e6 by black. Now we have rook to h4 by white, f5 by black, rook to e1 by white, queen to d8 by black. We have queen to f2 by white. Now, things will start to get interesting. So we have c8 by black, bishop. Okay, bishop moves back. Now we have the knight for white advancing to d5, and black's knight advancing to c6. Now check out what happens. Okay, look at this. So bishop moves to c4, white's bishop. Then that could deliver a surprise check, right? At any time to black's king. So black moves away, moves his king away. Doesn't want any surprise checks. What white does, guys, is sacrifice his rook. So white takes his rook from here, okay, and sacrifices it. And of course, there's many ways to take this piece, but ideally they would want to take it from this knight, because then they take it from that knight, and the knight could go and capture that, and so on and so forth. But they go and take that knight, because anything else, guys, the knight would capture, and that would be up pieces. So the knight captures right there. And what white was trying to do, guys, was trying to block out this queen. So this queen is blocked out. Doesn't have those diagonals. So what would white play in this position, guys? You have a few seconds. You can pause and let me know. Good job for those who found it out, guys. So it's very easy. Okay. White goes ahead and takes that pawn on h7, delivering a check to black's king. Now black's king takes that rook. Okay. And what happens next, guys? Can you guess? Yep. White's queen goes on h4 and delivers another check. And black's king only has one move now. That's right. g6. Next move by white is going to be a checkmate. Boom. Knight to f4. Black's king has no more pieces to go to, as you can see. Then these are taken, right? This one, everything here is gone. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope you appreciate this amazing chess puzzle. This was a real game from 1892. And if you appreciate, you would like to see more, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.